All right. Have you ever felt busy all day but still felt like there wasn't enough time? Hello, blessed Saturday everyone. Welcome sa ating live today. Yung tipong pagising mo pa lang, sunod-sunod na ginagawa mo, trabaho, pamilya, errands, at mga responsibilidad sa bahay. Then before you know it, tapos na naman ang isang araw. Ako as a working mom, as a dental assistant, naiintindihan ko talaga ang feeling na yan. Many of us working hard, not because we want to stay busy, but because we want to provide for our families and build a better future. But somewhere along the way, we realized that being busy and being intentional are two different things. That's why today we're talking about how we can take back control of our time and focus on what truly matters. Many people work hard, taking care of their families, mga nagmamanis ng kanya-kanyang responsibilidad sa buhay. Iba-iba yan eh. But yet, despite all that effort, they still feel that there's not enough time for the things matters most. So that's why today we will talk about priorities, family, work-life balance, and how being intentional with our time can help create more space for what truly matters. So one thing I've learned is that being intentional doesn't mean having everything figured out, but sometimes it simply means being willing to learn, grow, and explore new possibilities. And that's why I appreciate about being a community, being part of this community focused on personal growth and learning. In fact, listen, our community now has over 284,000 members worldwide, and more than 600 people joined just this past week. For me, that simply shows that many people are looking for opportunities to learn new skills, grow personally, and explore different possibilities for our future. And of course, goals are different, and every journey is unique. But I believe there's value is surrounding yourself with people who are committed to learning and grow. But before we continue, I'd love to ask, if you had an extra 5 hours every week, what would you spend it on? Is it family, faith, rest, or learning something new? Share your comments below. And now, let me introduce to you our first speaker.
Hi, hello everyone. Good afternoon from the Philippines. Good morning or good evening, wherever part of the world are now. Thank you for this opportunity, Sis Rosalie. Yes, my name is Te, a mother of two, a wife, a daughter of aging parents, former healthcare worker from the Philippines. Retired? Yes, but definitely not hired. Shall I continue, sis? Okay, one thing I have learned over these years, is this. Time is one of our most valuable resources. When I was younger and still working, I thought success meant being busy all the time. I filled all my days with responsibilities, deadlines, and endless tasks. But now that I am retired, I have come to realize that not everything that keeps us busy is helping us move closer to the life we truly want. Many of us spend years focusing on urgent things while unintentionally neglecting the most important ones: our family, our health, our faith, and our personal growth. The truth is, if we don't intentionally make time for these priorities, life can become a cycle of responsibilities without real fulfillment. For me, being intentional means asking myself this simple question: is what I am doing today aligned with what matters most to me? That question has changed how I spend my time and where I give my energy. Because at the end of the day, our priorities should guide our schedule, not the other way around. As a wife, a mother, a daughter to aging parents, and now a retiree, building an online business with purpose, I have learned that success is not about doing more. It is about making room for what truly matters and creating a life filled with faith, peace, purpose, and meaningful moments. Let's not just stay busy. Let's live intentionally because the life we desire is built not only by how hard we work, but how wisely we spend the time God has given us. That's all from me, sis. Thank you.
Wow, thank you for sharing, sis. I know maraming makaka-relate sa iyong story, sa iyong journey. Alam, narinig niyo po si Sis Fe is from Philippines. She is already retired, but look at her now. She is still doing this business. So, kung kaya niya, bakit hindi mo kaya, di ba? So, let's hear from Sis. Hello!
Hello, sis. Thank you, sis. Okay, so sa mga viewers natin, good morning, good afternoon from the Philippines. It's 2 p.m. here. My name is Nifil. I'm a mother, grandmother, retired corporate worker, and I am now running my own digital business. And yes, when I first saw this topic, I will talk my own dialect, okay? So I repeat, when I first saw this topic, makaingon pud ko sa ako ang sarili. Busy man gyapon ko every day. And what is the difference between being busy and intentional? But as I reflected, I realized nga daghan di ay tao panahon nga sige ta og trabaho, sige og lihok, pero wala ta kahadalo kung ang atong ginabuhat mao ba ang right path towards our dream life or goals, di ba? And for me, being intentional means not allowing life to control me. Ako ang mo decide unsay priority. And retired naman ko pero busy gihapon ko. The difference is today mas conscious ko asa na ako gi-invest ako ang time. I make time for my family, for my faith, for learning new things, and for helping other people. Because I learned na ang time is something we can never get back. Mao nga before I say yes to something, usahay, I will ask myself, is this helping me grow? Is this adding value to my life or to other people? Kay dili man gyud nato mahimo ang tanan, but we can choose what matters most. And I think that's what intentional living is all about. It is not having a perfect schedule, it's making sure that what matters most does not get left behind. Back to you, sis.
That's a beautiful reminder. As a mom, I often think about that because of many of us are trying to balance work, family, mga responsibility, and personal goals. And honestly, work-life balance isn't always easy, as in, pinakamahirap yan. There are reasons when work requires more from us. There are reasons when family needs more attention. But I don't think balance means perfection. I think balance means being aware of what matters most and making sure those things are not constantly pushed aside. For me, balance means creating a space for my faith, my family, my health, and my goals while waiting or while still fulfilling my responsibilities. It's not about doing everything perfectly, and it's about living intentionally, di ba, Fe? All right, so
Yes, exactly. And for anyone watching who feels overwhelmed, those who are watching us live or who will be watching the replay, I want to encourage you with this simple thought. Maybe you don't need more hours in a day. Maybe you simply need more clarity. Sometimes we spend so much time and energy on things that keep us busy, but do not really support our goals, our values, or the life we truly want to create. When we become intentional, we begin to make different choices. We learn to say yes to what truly matters, our faith, our family, our health, our purpose, and no to the things that distract us or pull us away from our priorities. It may seem like a small shift, but over time, those intentional choices create a big difference. As someone who is retired but not tired, I have discovered that living with purpose is not about doing everything. It is about focusing on the things that matter most and trusting God to guide the rest. So today, I encourage you to pause, reflect, and ask yourself, am I giving my time to what truly matters? Because a meaningful life is not built by being constantly busy. It is built one intentional choice at a time. Back to you, sis.
Okay, so and that's why learning and personal growth are so important. Many people know that they want change, but they don't know where to start. And the good news is that nobody starts with all the answers. Every journey begins with a willingness to learn. Sometimes one new idea, one new skill, or one new opportunity can completely change how we see our future. The important thing is staying open and being willing to explore possibilities. Back to you, sis.
So, if today's conversation resonated with you, my encouragement is simple. Start where you are. Start now. Never wait for the perfect time. You don't have to have everything figured out. You don't need years of experience. You don't need to be an expert to begin. Like me, I'm not an expert, but I believe that many people miss opportunities not because they are incapable, but because they are waiting for the perfect time or the perfect plan. The truth is, growth begins with something simple, being willing to learn, asking questions, and exploring possibilities that can give you more flexibility, more freedom, and a lifestyle that aligns with your goals and values. That is how my journey began too, one small step at a time, learning, growing, and trusting God through every season. So don't underestimate the power of a small beginning. Growth happens one step at a time. And sometimes the most important step is simply deciding to start. Be intentional with your time, be faithful to your purpose, and believe that it is never too late to create a life filled with meaning, peace, and possibilities. Because your next chapter doesn't have to look like your past. It can begin today, not tomorrow.
all right, and now narinig natin how you can start, and this moment we will heard how you can uh, proceed to watch the webinar.
Okay, so and if you would like to continue learning, we'd love to invite you to our upcoming free webinar. We are holding twice a week. It's in Philippines, Wednesdays and Fridays, 8 a.m. That's the live. And it's a space where people can learn, hear real stories, and explore different possibilities in a supportive environment. No pressure, just option, just information, education, and an opportunity to see if it aligns with your goals. If you'd like more details, simply comment to webinar below or send one of us a private message after this live. We would happy to share the information with you. Back to you, sis.
All right. So thank you so much, Fe and Fel. And thank you to everyone who joined us today or manonood pa mamaya ng ating replay. Our biggest takeaway is this: being busy isn't the goal. Living intentionally is your time is valuable. Your family is valuable also, of course. Your dreams and goals matter. Take a moment this week to reflect on where your time is going and whether it's supporting the life you want to create.
Mm,
Thank you again for spending time with us. If this conversation brought value to
mm,
you, free to share it with someone who may
mm.
need to hear it. God bless everyone, and we'll see you again for our next live session on Saturday Live. Thank you, sis.
Thank
Bye.
you,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
sis.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
See you next time.
See you.